Hi friends, this is Shivamurugan Surya. Basically, I am a swing trader. Using 1 hour chart, this is my trading method. I will show you how I trade in market using this 1 hour trading method. This is my trading software named Miracle Strategy. I will show you in last 2-3 days how I get signals in this system, how it works, and how much percentage we can get in this system. I will show you. First, I will like to convey the things. That means, as per 1 hour chart, basically I can hold position 2 days to 5 days. Minimum 2 trading days to 5 trading days. This is my strategy. If I hold 2 days to 5 days, what is the maximum possibility of getting profit as per percentage? I can able to get 5% to 7% easily in 2 days to 5 trading days. 5% to 7% of the stock value. For example, 1000 rupee stock value means you can get 50 rupees to 70 rupees in 2 days to 5 days. This is my method, this is my strategy. And I will show you how signals are working in my strategy and what are all the conditions to be watched. Basically, I follow 3 simple rules to take position. First rule, I will follow this indicator. I am moving the cursor here. You can see, my dear friends. This is the trend bar indicator. This color will tell you what is the nature of the market. This trend bar is in red color means the market is ready to fall. That means it will give the confirmation market will come down. Second confirmation, you see the red color arrow mark at the top. You see here, I am moving the cursor, red color arrow mark at the top. This is my second confirmation. That means my all 3 confirmation at the same side. No contra trades. You see, this is the red color trend bar telling the market will come down. This is red color arrow mark telling market will come down. Third confirmation is I am following 55-day EMA. You see the yellow color line coming from here. You see it coming from here. This is the yellow color line. This is the 55-day EMA, exponential moving average, 55 EMA. So the candle, the price comes below. The price comes below and the candle closing below the yellow color moving average. The price closes below the 55 EMA. It is the third confirmation. All 3 confirmations are perfect. Then only I will take position as per this system. So, next what I will see. You see, I will show you this is the higher band. That means the price trading at the upper band or higher band. This is the upper band or higher band. This is the lower band. This area is the lower band. This is the upper band. When the sell signal come at the upper band, then it is a perfect entry. Suppose the candle sell signal came at the lower band. Suppose here the sell signal comes means I will avoid those entries. Because the lower band is called a support zone. The people will try to buy the positions at the support zone or lower band. this is the upper band or resistance zone. So when the selling coming at the resistance zone means it is a perfect entry for the sellers. So I will take positions only the prices come at the resistance zone. So this candle low broken means I will take the position. Don't take position immediately when the price candle closes below the yellow moving average. You have to enter at the candle low only. You see, this is the IndusInd Bank. This candle low is 917 rupees on 21st January 1:45 p.m. I will show you the date and time in this system. You see, I will move the cursor. You can see the date. This is the 21st January 1:45 p.m. we get the sell signal. Very next candle it not broken that low. You see the candle not breaking the low. Then third candle broke the low. It came below the 917. You see this candle low was 915. That means we get the trigger, sell trigger at 917 rupees below. On 22nd January morning 9:15 only we get the entry. You see 22nd January morning first candle we get the sell entry. I already told you, my friends, if you are a swing trader you need to wait 2 trading days to 5 trading days. This is the time frame. You have to wait 2 days to 5 days and your target will be decent target. Don't greed more profits in a single call. You have to fix 5% to 7%. This is a decent target for 2 to 5 days. I am not telling 5% for 1 month. I am telling 5% to 7% for every 2 to 5 days time frame. So you can calculate in a monthly 22 trading days. Suppose if you shuffle your money monthly 4 times or 5 times, 5 to 7% means your profit will be 25 to 30% every month. Your money will grow very fast. Don't greed more profits. That means in a single call you can get 20%, 15%, 30%, not like that. Don't wait for more profits because market is very volatile. It can churn any time. So you see market coming down 1000 points in Bank Nifty in 2 days. Another next 2 days you see it is short covering 1000 points in next 2 days. So don't wait for big profits. You can always ready yourself for decent profits. That means 5 to 7% profit in next 2 days to 5 days means it is a very good profit. Monthly 25% to 30% returns you are getting means you will become very rich in next 2 years or 3 years. That means consistent return is very good in stock market. This system is giving consistent profit, but only thing you will be very disciplined trader only you will get this profit. You have to control your emotions. Then only you can make good returns. I am not telling you can do straightly in futures. If you are a small trader, you can able to take put options. Suppose in buy market you can take call options. Or you are a equity trader also, you can buy some 100 shares or 200 shares in buy market. You cannot able to sell in down market because that is not possible in equity. But if you are a F&O trader, you can take easily put option. Suppose if you have very small money also, 20,000-30,000 rupees also, you can take one lot of any put option, stock options. So you can plan like that. But anyway, you can make good money if you hold 2 to 5 days. You can get good money. This is my system. So you can also check If I am telling right or wrong, you can also check. Don't depend anyone in stock market. First you have to learn, then you can earn. Learn and earn. That is the best strategy. Don't depend anyone. Just I am sharing my views. This is a system is working well. So you, my guys, you can also concentrate on this system. You can also take swing trading. You can also earn more money in stock market. Decent income will come. So I will show my records. That's all. This is IndusInd Bank, and I show you another stock, BHEL. Just I show you 2-3 stocks for examples. You see BHEL. This is BHEL. The same strategy. I cannot change my rules. I follow these 3 rules very strictly. You can see the rule. First rule is trend bar. Here it is changing from white to red. I am putting the cursor here. It is changing from white to red. And you see the red color arrow mark came here. Second confirmation. Third confirmation, the price came below the yellow moving average. That means the candle closes below the yellow color moving average. The candle low was 38 rupees 50 paisa. The date is 21st January 1:45 p.m. So these 3 rules perfectly matching. Then what you have to see? The price is trading at the higher band or lower band. Here the price is trading at the higher band only. This is the lower band. This level is the lower band. This is the higher band. Price trading at the higher band only. So you can take the position. You see the next candle not broken the low. Third candle it broken the low. On 22nd it broken the low. Friday. Monday the date is 25th. You see the Monday low was 36 rupees 10 paisa. We get the sell signal at 38 rupees 50 paisa. So it came down 2 rupee 50 paisa from the sell signal. It is a very small stock. 38 rupees stock. It is also giving 7%. You see 38.50 minus 36, 2 rupee 50 paisa. More than 6% it came in just 2 trading days. The price is not a matter. You see, it is a 30 rupees stock or 300 rupees stock or 3000 rupees stock, whatever it may be. But you can get 5 to 7% of the stock value. Don't see the price. You can calculate the percentage of the stock. So, even a 30 rupees stock is giving 7%. So, it's a good return. You don't concentrate on very high value stocks, 500 or 1000. You can also able to concentrate on 100 rupees, 50 rupees stock also you can concentrate. But your goal will be, your target will be same, 5% to 7%, not more than that. And our holding period will be minimum 2 trading days to 5 trading days. This is our strict strategy. Target is 5% to 7% and time frame is 2 trading days to 5 trading days maximum. I am telling 5 trading days is the maximum. So you can get target before that. In 2-3 days you can get target 5%. Fatafat. So this is a very good trading method. So you can follow that. I will show you one more stock also, BPCL. I am not telling you can follow me. You can take position based on my chart. I am not telling like that. You first learn and you can earn. Simple. Don't depend anyone in stock market, because no one is correct in stock market. This is my suggestion. No one will correct, because no one will be 100%. There is always some error in everyone. So you will take position based on your learning capacity. So you can learn, or you can get some system, perfect system. We are also providing this system to everyone. Those who are interested, we can provide the system also. So you can decide that. You see, this is BPCL, another stock. The same strategy. You can apply the same 3 conditions. The trend bar becomes white to red. The red color arrow mark, it coming below the yellow color moving average. The price is trading at the upper band or higher band. This is lower band. This is higher band. So you can see the low, the candle coming. This is the red color trend bar. This candle low is 403 rupees. Below that we can sell the BPCL. So 403 below, it is a sell. Yesterday you see the low, it is 384 rupees. So it coming down 19 rupees. As per 5%, 400 rupees stock, 19 rupees is almost 5% achieved. So it's working very well, my dear friends. So if you interested, you can also follow this system. You can also learn. You can also earn. So I hope everyone will enjoy this system. Disclaimer: I am not SEBI registered analyst or advisor. If you interested, you can check with your certified advisor or analyst before taking any position based on my trading system. I will not give any loss or damage to anyone based on my system. It is purely a educational purpose only. So you can learn and earn. Thank you, my dear friends. We'll see you in next video.